So one of the things that we do, or some of us like to do, is read in bed. Or for me, early morning, sometimes I like to journal in bed. And I have a series of pillows here. And some people will say, oh, don't do that. Well, in Aston, we don't say, no, don't do that. We say, you like to do that. Let's try to make it more optimal so it's easier on our body and it's more comfortable for our structure. So I'm getting all set up here. Got a series of little pillows. I haven't ever done this before, so I'm gonna give it a try. So I'm going to, today I happen to be on my computer. Sometimes I journal here. I'm gonna climb in, and one of the things that we talk about for kind of optimizing alignment is tuxedo tails up. So you know how the concert pianist takes his tuxedo tails up. So I'm gonna take my tuxedo tails up, lean forward. I can push off my arms a little bit to get a little length in my spine. Ooh, that feels nice. And then I'm gonna lean back. What tends to happen is we go down and lean back. This is bad news. Or maybe we don't know the bad news until later. But if I stay long, chemisage I call it, which kind of just gives me a connection with gravity and ground force and the wholeness of my body. Breathe in, lean back, and then I can take my pelvis and slide down a little bit. Then, instead of just having my legs straight out, I'm gonna put my legs on a pillow. That allows my body to relax again. I'm gonna take a pillow and put it on my lap, which supports my arms. I have a little pillow here. Now we might think, oh, this is too many pillows and too much to think about, but it really makes for nice convalescing after a fall, like to read, and it supports the body to continue its healing process or to be in less tension. And then I bring whatever it is up to me. And now I have this nice angle that's evenly distributed through my whole body. And read on, ride on, whatever it is that you're gonna do. But here my arms are supported, pillow, I'll unwind it a little bit. Okay, I can also put the pillow up here if I don't have a book. I do have a book. Okay. And then this gives me just a nice place to read and breathe. I can breathe. And if I didn't take the time to set all that up, then my body, my spirit, my being, whatever, my pains in my body, might create compression and tension and trouble. So in Aston we expand the possibilities of what we can do, more optimized, more comfortable, more ease, more in relationship to gravity and ground reaction force, which are the healing forces for this body living here on earth.